Hello, this is the part of the tutorial where you use the delegate method to bring down the keyboard. So, in the last tutorial, you have seen that you can bring down the keyboard using the touch button and the background. So, let's take a look at what we saw in the last tutorial. And also, in Xcode, there's an option for some Macs, the compiler may be corrupt or problems with the compiler. When clicking run, just press option and click run. Here you get to choose the debugger. If it's already ticked on LLDB and you get an error telling attaching on the app name, then all you have to do is change the debugger or make it to none and then run. That's it. So for running, this is the debugger to a simulator. So click touch, it goes, click the background and it goes. So it's already done. Now what we have to do here is, after typing Josh, after clicking return, the keyboard should go away. So for that, all you have to do is go to click the touch button here, and just a minute, click the touch button, go to the quick help and UI text field class reference, click that, and over here you can see UI text field delegate protocol. Click that, and here editing the text fields text field should return. This is a bool. You can just copy it like this, cmd it, and then open up the editor, make sure it's in view control.m, and just paste it over here. You can paste it anywhere as long as it is before the @end, and there's no curly brackets. So what you have to do is just put the curly brackets, and then here we type the action here. There's two ways of addressing this return. You can use the text field resign first responder, or you can just uh, type the variable UI text resign first responder. That should also do it. Since I only have one text field, I'll just put in text field resign first responder. This bool is within the parameter text field, and make sure and know it's a bool, so you have to put a return yes or no. It's not true and false, yes or no, so you have to make it yes capital and colon. So it's done. What this does is, when you click run, creates where you put Josh, you can touch, and when you return, it goes away. And also, never forget this part of the tutorial where you have to go to view control.xib and just click that, and in the connections inspector, click the text field. Make sure you have done this part. This is the really important part, otherwise the code is not connected to the text field. Click on the text field, click on files owner. Okay, let me just show you from the beginning how to do it. Right now, since the code is not connected to the user interface, if you click run, and when you just type in the name here, just type in the name, click touch, it goes. But if you click return, it doesn't go. This is what happens if you don't connect it to the user interface. To do that, click on the text field, go to the connections inspector, click on delegate, drag it and drag it to files owner. Now it's connected to files owner, so you can make sure by clicking that here, the connections to files owner, and then you can go back to viewcontrol.m and make edits here. So now when you run, as I showed you before, still everything connected. You run, hit Josh, return. The command executes. The keyboard only returns. It doesn't do the command where it says hello Josh. To do that, all you have to do is go back to Xcode, copy the NS string message, these two lines of code, place it after the curly bracket. That's it. And now you run Josh, return. Works perfectly. The keyboard returns and also shows hello Josh. So we are here at the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.